Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today,
We're diving into MuscleTech Muscle Builder, a supplement promising enhanced strength and performance.
let's see if it holds up to the hype. Hey everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. I'm your host, and today we're talking about MuscleTech Muscle Builder. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, you've probably heard about the importance of supplements in achieving your fitness goals. But does Muscle Builder really deliver the results it promises? Muscle Builder claims to be a clinically backed muscle-building formula designed to boost strength and performance.
One of its key ingredients is peak ATP, which purportedly enhances strength, performance, and muscle recovery.
But does it live up to the marketing spiel? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the ingredients. Muscle Builder contains 400 milligrams of peak ATP per serving.
Now, peak ATP has been shown to have some promising benefits in studies, including increased strength and muscle thickness.
But does that translate to real-world results? According to the manufacturer, in a 12-week study, subjects using Muscle Builder gained 90% more lean muscle than those on a placebo.
That's a pretty impressive claim.
But what about actual users? Many users report positive experiences with Muscle Builder.
Some say they've noticed increased strength, energy, and even better pumps during their workouts. But as with any supplement, results may vary.
Now, let's talk about the downsides.
Some users have reported side effects such as heart palpitations and breathing issues, particularly those with pre-existing health conditions like diabetes. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So, is MuscleTech Muscle Builder worth it? Well, it seems to have its pros and cons.
While it may provide some users with noticeable benefits in terms of strength and performance, others may experience side effects or find it doesn't live up to the hype.
As always, it's essential to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplement.
That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews of the products you love, or love to hate.
Until next time, stay curious.
And cut.
That's a wrap, folks.
Let's get some feedback on this one.